Today's instruction is keyword slower on that new play button with Sharpie that Cries by all Shoutout mushrooms. Like, the link to the video will be the description below. Go and check them out. So let's into this instruction in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, Shoutout mushrooms.
Don't put that on YouTube.
Hey, what's up, guys? So there's gonna be a lot of this today. Me staring out the window, waiting for UPS. Waiting for our play button! The play button's coming today, guys! I just saw him back into our driveway. Leland, UPS! UPS. I think our play button's coming. Just wait for it. Leland! Historic moment, guys, if it is our play button.
I want to do a video on my channel and TikTok.
Yeah, this is a big deal, guys. Second play button. It's gonna go right there.
Oh, wow.
Oh my god.
I see it!
Do you see it?
Yeah, I see it.
How you doing? Thank you.
Oh my god.
Alright guys, the big moment finally came! We got the play button, our second play button!
Whoa!
Are you guys ready to open this?
Let's do it, boy!
Let's do it! So we just got our second play button today. Lightning does strike twice, guys. Now this one's for our gaming channel, Shoutout Mushroom Gaming. Now we did this 2 years ago with our first play button. Here's that clip.
Let's see. Where is it? What? Let me see.
Oh.
You guys want to open this?
I know.
Oh, okay.
We can both.
In the same time. 3, 2, 1. Hold on. Let's hold it up so we can see it. There it is.
No, this is a play button. This is a play button. Yeah,
This
the
is-
other has a play button. Add the play
Susan's
button.
letter. Hold on, here it is. In 3, 2, 1.
Whoa.
Da, 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 da.
Looks kind of bigger.
Now this one says, Shoutout Mushroom Gaming, guys. This is for our gaming channel. Our second play button.
I like this. This is cool.
Wow.
What do you guys think? Should we take it out? Let's take it out.
Yeah.
Wow, look at that. Keep it fresh.
I like this. This is cool. Deanna doesn't even admire the play button. She's just I do. I'm admiring the phone.
Who's all the other ones you can add?
We're not quite there yet.
Wow.
Yeah! Woo!
So shiny.
Look how
So
shiny
shiny.
it is.
I can see my chapped lips. I want to
Alright,
see. I
take a
want to
look.
see myself. I want to see myself.
Wow.
I feel like we just took the play button off the wall.
Did you see me?
I
Look at
feel
that.
like we just took the play button off the wall.
I know. So, is there anything you want to say, Leland?
Subscribe to my channel. I really awesome.
No. We're talking about this channel. Alright guys, so real quick, I just want to say thank you to you guys. This award really goes out to all you guys, not just us. This is our award. This is something we accomplished together.
Yeah.
And I know we spent about 2 years now on our gaming channel. We put a lot of work into it, building it up. Spent the last year really working hard. And wow, I can't believe it.
Hard work pays off.
We did it again, guys. We did it again.
Hey,
So,
now we need to
because
dye
of
our
you guys.
Dad, now we have to dye our hair pink.
Oh yeah, speaking of that, once places start opening again, I will dye my hair
So in
pink.
like a month
I
or
guess.
next year.
Whenever things go back to normal, guys. Originally, we wanted to do this at a restaurant, but we're stuck at home quarantine. So, this is the next best thing. All right, Leland, is there anything you'd like to say?
Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I Leland's awesome videos.
No, tell them thank you.
Thank you. But also subscribe to my channel. I Leland's awesome videos.
All right,
My
Leanna,
channel's
is there any-
next. Thank you guys so much. We couldn't have done it without you guys. You guys are the real reason why we have this.
Yep. Thank you guys. So, should we hang this up? All right, so we wanted Kayla to be a part of this too. She was filming us. So, I mean, this is her moment too. She's going to read the letter.
I wonder if it's exactly the last one.
Yeah.
All right. You've done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards, you do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think.
Not really if you keep deleting subs every day.
And we're rooting for you. Congratulations.
Let's see what 2 play buttons next to each other looks like.
Oh wow.
Look at that. Whoa.
I feel like it just duplicated. This looks bigger. Yeah.
It looks exactly the same. They're the same.
It looks.
Look, Kayla. This is what 2 play buttons together looks like.
Dang.
This looks bigger.
Alright, so we gotta make this perfectly leveled.
Alright, look.
So we gotta make all the proper measurements. Okay, leave her alone. Okay, here we go. Guys,
We're filming.
we're trying to film.
Guys, we're filming.
Okay.
No stud there.
Up. I just go up a little bit. Up. You went in the same spot. Yeah. There we go. Alright, let's see if we can do this.
One in, one to go. Oh, that's echoes. We gotta make sure this is earthquake resistance. We've already had one earthquake.
Yeah, don't want that falling down.
Hey, yeah.
So this is technically the 3rd time I've had to do this
Oh yeah, the old one.
at the old house. Alright, everybody ready?
Hold on, let me grab your phone.
Okay. Ian's gonna grab his phone so he can show his girlfriend.
Alright guys, we just got our play button.
Alright, here we go. Moment of truth. Where are the holes? Hold on, I can't find the holes.
I can't wait until I do my play button. When I do my play button, it's going to be really cool. Wow. This music could be covered by and YouTube likes to give me copyright clamps.
Stop flexing! No one likes a flexer!
Alright, so we got Leland with both play buttons. So what do you think?
Awesome.
Which one do you like better? They're exactly the same.
Not really. They look
Our
different.
main channel and our gaming channel. Pretty amazing. Not too many YouTubers can earn 1, let alone 2 play buttons. So that's a huge accomplishment. No. Don't even joke.
Hey guys, so today, so we got the play button and stuff, which thank you guys about, but my dad's kind of in love with it and it's kind of getting annoying. Like, just check this out.
It's such a beautiful play button. So beautiful. I love you.
So that's what I mean, guys. He thinks it's just like his reward and stuff,
Yeah,
which
it's
really,
like ours.
it's really everyone's and
Yeah.
stuff. It's really everyone's and stuff.
Yeah.
So, yeah, so it's everyone's reward. And so pretty much I'm going to be doing everyone a favor, writing tat on it. So, yeah. Alright, guys, so we're going to take down the play.
Mine?
Go do the dishes.
Come on.
And take the trash out. Fill it in.
I like the trash and dishes.
Got the play button, which Dad's in love with.
I just want to go for a drive.
Alright. Alright, try the right tat on it. Here, get closer.
It's a permanent marker. It's a Sharpie.
Yeah, it's Sharpie. Look at that Sharpie. Alright, just wrote it.
There we go.
So, let's put it up.
I can't believe we did this.
Oh, is this where the hair from? I thought that's what you were looking at.
There you go. Alright, guys, so now it says presented to for passing 100,000 subscribers. If my dad wanted it so bad, it's now his because he's a total hat.
Alright guys, so it looks like it's my turn to do the dishes. Again, I feel like I just did them. And I gotta do laundry too. And take out the trash. I gotta do everything.
Yep.
Anyway, these are the dishes. So, actually, you know what? Before I start the dishes, Kale, I'm gonna go stare at the play button some more.
You need to stop being obsessed with that stupid thing.
Well, I'm obsessed.
You need to
I'm myself.
I love it!
really get with it. Get a life.
You didn't
Get out.
see that.
Get a life.
What the? Why does it say hat on it? It says hat on the play button. Carol! It says hat. It says presented to hat.
Oh.
With a Sharpie. Will that even come off?
No, those are permanent marker.
God. Seriously? Oh God, it won't come off! Leon! Bet Leon did this. Did you write hat on my play button? Did you write hat on my play button?
What? I'm fixing my knife hat.
Hey! Did you write this on my play button? What were you thinking?
Yeah, no, it says presented to
Why?
because you think it's yours and now it's yours because you're a total hat.
You won the play button, Leland. You know how hard it is to earn these things?
Yeah, guess what? We earned them too.
100,000 subs.
Shut up! Let me talk!
You watch your mouth. Okay, this does not come off.
If it does
Did not come off.
being hat.
Hey, go to your room. You're grounded. You are grounded. Turn the game off.
No, you.
All these games we did. God, you ruined the play button. Leland ruined the play button, guys. Leland completely ruined this play
That's
button.
what you get for being a hat.
Go to your room. Go to your room.
Make me.
God. So now everyone who comes through this door, and there's a reason why I put the play buttons here, is to show them off. So everyone who comes through that door now is gonna think that I'm a hat.
You are.
Go to your room.
Even Mom will agree. Mom, is that?
Hey, you think YouTube will send us a different one? You think Susan will send us a new
You
one?
get one chance. To get
One
that.
chance?
And you're lucky you even got that one.
God, I was lucky to even get that one.
Hey, Mom, do you think that?
Why are you out? Go to your room. Leland's gone too far this time. Don't you guys agree? Comment below. God. Leanna, stop! Stop making Bullwinkle faces at me.
Also, I'm looking old like you.
God. Completely ruined it, guys. Completely ruined it. I don't know what to say at this point, other than thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe. And you know, you don't even deserve a shout out, Leland, for his channel. Leland's awesome videos, guys. Leland does have a channel, which he does not deserve a shout out. And what, Leanna?
My channel.
Your channel?
Shout out my channel.
What's your channel? I don't remember anymore.
You're hurtful. It's Leanna's cute video.
Oh yeah, not so cute videos, because you were in on it too. I know it.
Subscribe to Leanna's cute videos.
All right.
Subscribe to London.
Where'd you go?
Subscribe to IC London, because a video's going viral on our channel.
All right, I'm done, guys. This is a load of.
That was. The key was slower on the new play button with Sophie the class by all Shoutout mushrooms. The link to the video will be the description below. Go and check them out. And drop a like if you like, and comment down below if you want to see more reaction like this one. And subscribe if you're new, and click the bell to be notified when I upload in what